Hi and welcome to Cars and Coffee Stories. We are here in San Clemente, California. Next to me is Don. Hi Don.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. When I was younger, in high school, I actually had a picture of not this very car, but the 944 in Guards Red on my wall. And I said one day I would own this car. So fast forward many years, I was actually looking for something to buy that I can play with on the weekends. And the girlfriend actually made a suggestion, why don't you look for that car that you always wanted in high school? And
Sometimes you should listen to your girlfriend. Yeah.
exactly. So I actually started looking at Auto Trader and stumbled across this particular vehicle. It was up north, and I literally called the dealership to see what was going on with the car. And
Up north, how north?
more towards San Francisco area. At that time, the car wasn't at the dealership. He said they had sent it out for some work and told me to call him back in about 2 weeks. I really didn't think anything of it. He called me and he told me the car was still available if I was interested, and I asked him if he had any service records for this particular vehicle because I wasn't gonna fly up north to look at the car.
Right?
So he provided me with a stack of records, and fortunately for me, the mechanic who worked on the car, his phone number was in those records. I gave him a call and I asked him to be honest with me about the car and whether or not it was worth purchasing, and he flat out told me buy the car.
Looks pretty good in shape, mint condition, I would say. Did you change anything, or is
I
it
haven't
stock?
changed anything. This is exactly how I purchased the vehicle. Actually, the previous owner left some information in there, so I know who that individual was. And from what I can see, they've had it repainted, but all in all, it's a fairly clean vehicle. I haven't done anything to it since I purchased it other than drive it.
Definitely not your daily driver, isn't it?
No. It's not my daily driver. This is the weekend warrior.
So where do you go on the weekend? Where you would take
I
this
live in
vehicle?
Mission Viejo, so I
cool.
will usually just take this to and from. Actually, Fridays, I commute to San Diego every day. Fridays is the day I kind of stretch its legs out and drive it to San Diego on Fridays. And Saturdays and Sundays, the girlfriend and I will drive around, hit a couple breweries, get a lot of attention, you know. It's kind of cool.
Sure. I bet. It's, people would turn their heads on the
Yeah,
road. Yeah, cool. All right. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you. Thank you.